Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Privacy powerhouses unite, Monero, Zcash, and Dash4j Alliance to combat Chokepoint 2.0, reclaiming financial freedom. U.S. Congressperson Byron Donalds criticizes federal regulatory agencies for their approach to cryptocurrency at the NFT.NYC 2023 conference. Donalds alleges a potential Operation Chokepoint 2.0 strategy aimed at limiting the crypto industry's access to banking services. U.S. Congressperson Byron Donalds shared harsh criticism of U.S. regulatory agencies' handling of cryptocurrency at the recent NFT.NYC 2023 conference. According to Donalds, these regulatory bodies, including the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, appear to be launching what he terms Operation Chokepoint 2.0. The strategy, he suggests, is aimed at impeding the crypto industry's access to traditional banking services. Operation Chokepoint 2.0 is a term used to describe a supposed coordinated government effort to discourage banks from providing services to cryptocurrency firms under the veil of maintaining financial safety and stability. Observers in the crypto industry believe that government-imposed access restrictions have noticeably escalated in 2023. Reflecting on his congressional tenure, Donalds stated that nothing is a coincidence with the government agency, hinting at a concerted effort in the government's recent crypto regulation crackdown. He further added that agencies are now frequently communicating and brainstorming new methods to manipulate a desired outcome. In addition to these restrictions, Donalds suggested that the Federal Reserve is actively preparing the groundwork for a central bank digital currency, CBDC, as part of their future plans for a digital dollar. These developments align with broader efforts to limit the banking system's exposure to cryptocurrencies. The Floridian representative also expressed concerns about the government's lack of deep understanding of the crypto industry. He argued that current regulations are based on a century-old legacy framework, which is ill-suited to address today's digital asset needs. To better illustrate this, he compared it to asking a sixth-grade basketball player to referee the NBA Finals. On a more personal note, Donalds took aim at SEC Chair Gary Gensler, describing him as a very arrogant individual who believes he is the most intelligent person in any room. According to Donalds, Gensler and the SEC represent Old Washington, a moniker he used to describe government agencies that resist change and innovation. Donalds underscored the importance of educating regulators about the intricacies of digital assets and blockchain technology for fostering a healthier cryptocurrency environment in the United States. The recent strategies adopted by U.S. authorities to impose restrictions on cryptocurrency firms and banks servicing them appear to echo past enforcement tactics. These tactics involve isolating the conventional financial system from the crypto market and employing multiple agencies to dissuade banks from engaging with crypto firms. Such regulatory actions have impacted various businesses. Binance.US, the U.S. arm of the global crypto exchange Binance, has recently struggled to find a new banking partner to facilitate fiat on-ramps and off-ramps for its customers. This has led to the company relying on intermediary banks to hold funds on its behalf, highlighting the ongoing challenges faced by the crypto industry amidst increasing regulatory pressures. Price prediction. Zcash price today is $25.57 with a 24-hour trading volume of $42.40 million, market cap of $417.51 million, and market dominance of 0.04%. The ZEC price increased 3.58% in the last 24 hours. Zcash price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 13, 2023 at 1500 hours, the general Zcash price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 7 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 24 signaling bearish signals. ZEC price prediction was last updated on June 13, 2023 at 1500 hours. Zcash key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $24.82, Zcash has support levels of $24.45, $23.72, and the strongest at $23.36. Similarly, Zcash resistance levels are at $25.55, $25.91, and $26.64. Zcash reached its highest price on October 29, 2016 when it was trading at its all-time high of $5,941.80, while Zcash's lowest price was recorded on March 13, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $18.53. The lowest price since its ADH was $18.53, cycle low. The highest ZC price since the last cycle low was $368.22, cycle high. The Zcash price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 45, fear. Zcash's current circulating supply is 16.33 MZC out of max supply of 21.00 MZC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 11.87%, meaning 1.73 MZC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Zcash is currently ranked number 8 in the proof-of-work coin sector, ranked number 2 in the privacy coin sector, and ranked number 38 in the Layer 1 sector. Zcash is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 413 days, since April 26, 2022. The price of Zcash is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 44 days, since April 30, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 398 days ago, on May 11, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on April 7, 2022, which was 431 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Zcash's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $38.72 by July 13, 2023. Zcash's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $27.24 by July 13, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 29.22, which indicates that the ZEC market is in an oversold position. The RSI indicator suggests that the price of ZEC will decrease. According to our current Zcash price prediction, the value of Zcash is predicted to rise by 5.04% and reach $26.69 by June 18, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 45, fear. Zcash recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 8.47% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Zcash forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Zcash. Comparing Zcash against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Zcash price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Zcash price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, ZEC price prediction for year 2026 is $1,553 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Zcash would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $178.15. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.